Welcome everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to prepare your designs to get the best code results on Monday Hero. While handing off designs to a developer in other handoff tools, it's important to make images exportable for them to be able to download images. Otherwise, developers won't be able to download it as a whole image or icon. The same applies here. Let's see some use cases one by one. Make icons or images exportable. Let's take the icons first. Icons generally consist of paths and lines. However, they should be treated as one image in the code. For example, there is a home button icon here. This icon consists of 3 parts. We can see the preview of the parts in here. Let's group and make them exportable. Click the group selection. Now we can see the preview of the icon as a whole. The second one is logo. Generally, logo doesn't consist of one layer. That's why you need to group the path, lines, or texts in the logo as a whole and make it exportable. Otherwise, they can look improperly like in here. Because every path will be defined and placed as a single image. Group them so that the paths and lines can come together and get exported as one image seamlessly. Now we can see the preview of the logo as a whole. The last one is background image. Sometimes background image of the screens are sliced like that. Let's group the image. When you make the background exportable, you should see the image as a whole like that. Remove mockups. Once you add mockups to your designs, you will get the code of it too in Monday Hero. However, it's not good to include a mockup image in the code. That's why, please remove mockup and keep the things that are essential for the app. Remove the guiding objects. Designers do lots of tricks to have the design pixel perfect. To align or measure the objects, it's possible to use the rectangles like here, or vectors, lines, some shapes. Before exporting the screens, please be sure to remove these handy objects or layers. That's all for checking the design file. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications to stay up to date. See you in the next video. Good luck as a Hero developer.